So today I'll be showing us how to earn $500 on NFT in BYBIT. So that's what I'll be showing us today. So smash the like button, subscribe to this channel. So the last video I uploaded last time, I showed us how to load money into our P2P account, into a BYBIT account using the P2P platform, and I loaded a certain amount of money you can. If you have problem with loading money to your account, you can check that video out. But today I'll be showing us how to buy NFT on Binance. So I know that we all know what NFT is. I presume we know what NFT is. But today I'll just be showing us how to work on the platform of BYBIT, trading it. So NFTs are non-fungible tokens. So on the BYBIT app, so we have this is the P2P session I showed last week. So today this is the NFT section I'll be showing us. So just make sure that in your spot account you have enough amount in your account to trade. You should have enough amount to trade the account, which presume amount you like to trade. You have it in your account, and that's in your spot wallet. You have it in your spot wallet. It must be in your spot wallet. So let's come directly to the NFT section. So I'll be showing us how I'll be explaining different sessions, different buttons and everything in the NFT section. So let's just load it up. So now in the NFT section here we have different collections. Now this is the NFT. You see, it says explore NFTs from creators worldwide. So we explore NFTs. So there are a lot of creators that have created on this platform, so all around the world, and you can trade what they have created, the pictures they have created, and they are placed on BYBIT for a particular price. You can trade it. So now let me quickly show us our account. So this is your wallet. So whenever you buy an NFT, this is where it appears. So when you buy a particular collection, it's to tell you the collection that you have in your wallet here. So you just start button on the right hand side. So this is here to show you your NFTs that you have. So this is, and to show you the status of the NFT, I will show us soon. So it says here wallet. So it says a wallet. Here it says history. So you can check the histories of what the NFTs you have bought over time. So let's just go back. Let's go back to the marketplace. So you can just click on the marketplace from that right hand side, or on the home page you see the marketplace on top of it. So now what we'll be doing now is that we'll be clicking, since it's on all, so you can see every collections and every NFT that we have. So you can either trade, you can buy NFTs with either Ethereum. If you have Ethereum in your wallet, I actually have USDT in my wallet, but I'll be trading with USDT. Or you have BIT in your wallet, so you can trade with BIT. So it only show you the NFTs that the people that listed it, or the person that listed it, only wants to receive BIT as coin from you. So I'll be trading USDT, and here you can sort the collections you intend to see. So either you want recently listed, you want the price to be listed from low to high. So I'll be using this. You can also use any other ones that you prefer. So categories is another section. I'm just looking. Categories is another section. You can list the price that you want, the price limit. I will not be listing any price limit. Let me just go through the ones that are available. So we have a certain amount in our wallet, my wallet. So let me just check one I would love to buy. So you can check different information. The NFTs have the name of the NFT. There's a code that makes it unique from every other NFT on the platform. So it makes it only yours when you buy it. But that's its creator's name always with it. Wherever it goes, the creator's name is always to the NFT. So you can check this the price, and you see the price in dollars, and you see the price either in BIT if you're using BIT, or in Ethereum if you're using Ethereum. but we are using USDT, so that's why the price is in USDT and also showing the equivalent in USDT also, is USDT also. So let's just find one that we will love to trade. So I'll trade for something that's around $5.5. So let's trade for something around $5.5. Let's just buy this. I think it's just giving us some errors. I just intended to check why that is occurring. So it's not allowing us to buy from that ring. I don't know the reason why. I think it's kind of something. I think you should have updated the settings, okay? So we haven't updated settings now. I think I can just go for this. So this is $5. So now you can see a lot of different informations about this particular NFT we have finally clicked. So this is the person that is actually owning it now. So he's the owner because he bought it. So this is the creator. You can see the creator's name is always with the NFT. So it says this is the record of the people that have bought it over time since it was created. So this is a long list. Okay. So when it was created by Jenna, it was listed by Jenna. Someone bought it from him for 11 bits. So it was traded with bits for a while. Then it was traded with dollars. Also, started being traded with dollars. So this list was traded. So you can check the list of the record of the exchange that happened. But now it's not listed for $5. So buying it from him now. So the record doesn't matter. You can check the record and make sure that you are clicking on something that you see potential for. So imagine I buy it now, I can list it for whatsoever price I intend. So you're buying it $5 now, you can list it for $500. So literally you can make $500 if there is a buyer from you, if there's anybody that intends to buy it from that price from you. But on BYBIT NFTs, if you buy something for a price range of $5, to be realistic for you to sell it for something around $6, so as to just make a minimal amount of $1. I traded something of such recently and I made an amount like that. So from there you can build up from there like that. So having an hope of actually getting $500 once, I don't think it's quite possible, but you can be lucky to actually get that if you place it such ways. Someone can buy it from you from that amount also, but that is just my advice. So I'll be buying this now for this price. So let's just pay now. So I'll be showing us how to list it back for whatever price you'd like to list. So I'm not intending to view more. Let's just come to the NFT sessions here. So you see that now in my NFT collections, in my NFT items, you see I have something. So this is what I have in my wallet. So this is the collection. This collection it belongs to. So this is the item. Now I'll be showing us how to list this back for an higher price. So I bought it $5. I can list it for a price below that, either for a price on that on that, I'll be listing it for something above. So now you see, this is where you list it back on the NFT platform or the NFT marketplace. So now as it is now, it is not on the NFT marketplace, it's with you in your account. But when you list it back, it will appear on the marketplace so that any buyer that sees your offer can buy from you. So yeah, you see, I'm not going to be collecting Ethereum, I'm collecting USDT. So if you intend to collect any other currencies, you can just speak out of the story. I'll be using USDT, and this since I bought it for $5. You see, you can literally list it for as the amount you like. Whatever amount you like, you can list it for. You can see a buyer that will buy from you for that price, or whatever price you list it for. You can list it for $1 million as you like. You can list it for $500, as I stated in the video, and you can make up to that amount. But I will be listing it for in this video, I'll be listing it for 6. Let me list it for 500. Let me list it for 500. Oh, so sorry. Clicking back on the BYBIT app just returns you back to the home page. I don't know why that is the way it is, but they should have Apple created the NFT platform in a very, very good way. I guess we just return us back to the home page anyhow. So click on this now. Let me just make this video as short as possible. So this now. So just click on that 500. So this is the listing time. So what time do you want this to be on the marketplace for? So this time also attracts buyers, also seeing your price and the time frame you have given to them to buy. So within that time, if they don't buy, to be taken off the market. So in form of the fact that probably someone has bought it. So you can give a time frame so people, what is more like an auction, so people can be very up on their game. So this is the month. You choose the month. You choose the day. Choose the time. This is the hour. The hour of the day you want it. The minute. So I just want it to go off. Probably today is we are still around something around 6. Today is 6. So okay, today is not actually 6, but it's going to be going off. This is the list date. Let's say on the 10th. You can set your time to, let's say, 12. And this. So this is year. It can be more than just a year. It can actually be listed for more than a month. That's on BYBIT. It can be listed. Your NFT cannot be listed for more than a month. Just confirm that and just submit. And they will also collect a particular fee from you for listing it at this price. There's a fee they will collect. The fees are not so actually too much. So shock you out. So that's how to buy on BYBIT and in up to $500 on an NFT. Thank you for watching today's video. Like this video if you like the content. Subscribe to our channel to get more of content like this. And I'm always your guy. Your guy Eligible Gold.